This is a jellyfish that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The Atolla jellyfish, also called the deep-sea crown jellyfish, lives in the darkest parts of the ocean, where it drifts around like a glowing red UFO. It has a signature groove around its bell, making it look like it's wearing a crown, because deep-sea royalty, obviously. But its real power? When attacked, it flashes bright blue lights, like an emergency siren, hoping to attract an even bigger predator to eat whatever's chasing it. Basically, it calls for backup and hopes for the best.